It's hard to remember way back then. So boom, every time.
Boom.
Welcome back to Spider Talk in the Bus.
I've been calling it Thoughts from the Bus.
Thoughts from the bus.
Because we have many thoughts, and we want to share them.
Did you just blow the minds of the world?
I mean, just, you started with a thought. It's going to just obviously blow somebody's mind.
It's going to blow minds.
Bear.
Blowing minds from the Spider Bus in Spiderdale.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now we have...
It's our new home.
It's epic.
Spiderdale, Arkansas.
Yeah. Man, I'm so excited still. We're like a month into this place, and it's awesome here.
It is awesome.
It's nice being able to just feel like a community.
Yep.
Now. So it's exciting walking down the street. There's human beings hanging out. You say hi, go interact, buy things from them. They come over and check our place out, and they've been looking forward to us.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
It's good stuff. It's called good humans, man. Good people make a big difference.
Yeah, definitely.
And I think that we came to a really great community. We brought our good people. They got good people here. It's just a good place now.
Definitely.
Spiderdale,
Arkansas.
Yeah.
Hey, who is that?
Who is
this? That cute little guy.
Is that, what's his name?
This is Bear.
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 What's up, buddy?
Oh, he's like, oh, hey.
You may know Bear from the Pet Crate commercial.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. We have a celebrity amongst us. I forgot about that.
He's gracing us with his presence today.
Thank you,
He's
Bear.
a dog actor.
He is a dog actor. Bear, you did a really... Bear, look at me. Look at me in the eyes, Bear. Good job. Hey, you did a really good job in that commercial.
No.
That video you did for Walmart. What's jingling about to hit?
Oh,
no,
that was the wrong
crickets don't make any sense for that.
No.
Bear, you did a really great job in that
Hold on.
commercial.
I'm gonna get the applause. It's gotta end first.
Oh, okay. Why does that have to end?
I don't know. Then they go at the same time, and then it makes no sense.
You're doing terrible.
I'm doing terrible.
Anyway, so look,
labels.
that wah 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 is for
That's
your
for me.
jingling. It's been terrible.
Where is the laptop?
How appropriate.
It's the green one.
No,
it's the
top. Let me put these on.
Yeah,
maybe I can hear the jingle.
Yeah, you could.
Hang on.
Hey, wait, whoa, that's crazy.
There we go.
That's crazy. Brooke, is it not plugged in? How did that happen? Wow. Because they've been real the whole other time.
Yes. The other time
that's crazy. So anyway, Bear was in a Walmart.com Pet Crates video.
Yeah.
And he was amazing.
Yeah, that's what we do, right? they had a need.
That's what we did.
And we help. We help come up with solutions.
That's right.
They needed some content. They needed some videos made. We said, hey, we got the perfect dog or dogs.
There's
we had some other dogs.
There's 3 dogs.
We made it happen.
Yes.
On a decent budget.
Yep.
That's what we do. We make things happen, and we're not going to gouge people for creating content that the world needs.
Oh man, I mean, can we just end?
All right,
there you
done.
go.
I mean,
there's your thought of the day.
There's our thought of the day.
Just drop my mic.
Let's rip these off and throw this table up.
Yep.
Brooke, you're doing terrible. It's the top right one. Quit pushing.
I'm trying to find the applause. The top right one.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I just chewed you out on the internet. I'm sorry about that. Hey, so anyway, let's get down to business.
Yeah.
You want to?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah.
All right.
What are we talking about today?
Sounded very, very Arkansas.
It's very Arkansas. It's okay.
Hey,
own it.
Own
it.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all. Today we want to talk to Roger.
Wow, you see how professional she
very.
Wow.
Wow, the radio voice just kicked in there.
Today we're going to talk about
NPR.
Yeah. Today we want to talk to Roger Dickey, the CTO of SKU Ninja plus WhyteSpyder, about data, gathering data, and why it's important and how it shapes the world we live in today.
Thank you, Brooke. Yes, Roger, we would like to hear from you about that.
Yeah. So we do focus on data and data, right? And we put those things together.
And it equals
money and data. Yeah. Well, there is so much data out there.
Yeah.
And, the last few years, the internet age, we're well in the middle of it.
Mm-hmm.
People are using tools and getting content and data and analytics and stats and everything out in all these disconnected sources because they're chasing after one thing after another to try and improve their bottom line.
Right.
And so a lot of those things, we're not just quite at the point yet where everything knows how to talk to each other.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of progress that's been going towards that effort, but we're still not quite there.
Who is the we in that? You talking about the internet as a whole?
Yeah, the major software platforms,
right.
E-commerce websites, tools like Salesforce, And then there's other smaller startups that are really finding that niche to, and WhyteSpyder is one of those, to go out and analyze those disconnected sources of data that may be somewhat structured.
Right.
And we WhyteSpyder in the community are building the tools to harvest that data, bring it together to really try and bring some insights and organize that information, because nobody has time to do that. We're in a just-in-time world right now. I have 5 minutes right now to get something done?
Yep.
And I don't have, an hour to comb through spreadsheets and go export this report from here in one format, from there in another format, bring it together. So, WhyteSpyder, one of the many things that we're bringing to the table is building the tools and the infrastructure to be able to organize that information to make it easy for our customers to learn insights from that data, from different sources. Maybe it's website traffic data, maybe it's content data, maybe it's sales data, data that we're coming up with generating from machine learning tools and AI algorithms, output from that, to put a new spin on it and try and glean some insights from that data.
Yeah.
So that's just one of the sweet spots that we're in, because like I said, there's just too much data out there for people to keep up with. Our customers are coming to us because they don't have time to keep up with it. They don't know where to start.
That's right.
We've got a good grasp on it.
Yep.
And we're here to help, organize the chaos that is data.
I think that that's a big point about organizing the chaos, because you organize the chaos, you save people time, people are able to be more effective at their jobs, they're able to do more things with less amount of resources, and then most importantly, they're able to communicate with the shopper more directly and accurately and relevantly, and they're also able to watch their competitors and keep whipping them down, right? And I think that your point, like what we're not doing with SKU Ninja is we're not trying to create some sort of super new, brand new thing as far as like maybe what other software companies are attempting to do, right? That's just, I don't even know that that's even possible, period. Like for example, the iPhone Apple creates the iPhone. Well, that's brand new, disruptive innovation. What we're doing though is we're helping make it easy to use all these different sources of data, bring them to the front and be able to visualize them so you can do your job better, faster.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah. And, obviously there's some things in there that because of our ecom.com experience over a decade of that, understanding what's the right thing to do.
Yes.
I think that's the biggest thing with, not only are we making it easier for suppliers and retailers to organize this data, but we're actually making it easier for us to organize that data. We started SKU Ninja, if you remember this, and Roger is the guy to get that going as one of the lead developers on that.
Original Ninja.
Yeah, you could say that.
There we go.
Yeah.
Ooh, well,
I've been around since before it was known as SKU Ninja. We had a code name for it. There was about 6 months where we couldn't talk about it.
That's right.
And we had to build it up until we got a good, initial version, and then unleashed the Ninja on the world.
Was that all you, Roger? I mean, were you just the only person?
He was the only one that did it.
Well, I can't take complete credit for that, but there were others involved. Well, some might say it came in a dream. And it was born in a dream, and then it turned into a reality, and now it's the foundation of our business.
Right. Yeah. So we had Alex Blyde was one of the. Was it?
Yeah.
So we want to make sure if he's watching this. I mean,
Alex, I love you, man.
We love you, Alex. We love you so much. And it did come. The name of it came to Alex in a dream, which is really, it's pretty true. I mean, he called me up the next morning and said, "SKU Ninja." I'm like, you've never had a creative idea in your entire life, but that one's good.
Yeah, he was saving it all up for that.
It only needs one.
That's it.
It's like mic drop out.
Yep. That's right. Yep. So back to my point. Yeah. After you rudely interrupt me.
My bad.
Is that not only are we organizing the chaos for the brands and suppliers, but because of our .com experience, we're organizing the chaos for ourselves. Because when we originally started up SKU Ninja, that we started that tool because we could not find any other tools to give us the right type of data. I mean, there was plenty of tools out there, and they're still in existence today, still being used in the market. Great tools, not talking any smack about it, but they just were not delivering us the real answers that we knew were the right ones, the effective ones that you needed to have to be successful in the digital merchandising ecosystem. Ecosystem, I'm in Arkansas, ecosystem. if I'm
for the rest of the world.
For the rest of the world, it's Echo, right? But
well, at the speed and the volume that we were operating at,
That's
because people don't want to wait for things. They want to, our customers, the number one question, it seems like, is ROI, right? And that's something that we have to constantly, help navigate that concept. But really that's what matters to them. They're a business, they're in business to make money. And the quicker they can get answers on how to navigate from where they're at today to a better place tomorrow, that's what SKU Ninja is really meant to help solve.
That's right.
Speed and efficiency to bring out insights to our customers, because they don't have time to do it and they don't know where to start. What
I love about it, so I kind of sit on the strategy team side, right, is being able to, and you and I work a lot together. I'll go talk to a retailer, understand they're sitting there talking about just their business day, right? And I can kind of visualize and understand, hey, if we could do, I know what all we can do. If we could just do this and add this to it, if we could get this little extra piece of data, it'd be really helpful for that retailer to be successful. Come back, you're able to customize, bring that data back in at volume and just kind of crunch it down so we can visualize it. And then we can come back with that data set and say, look, this is what's going on. This is the truth. And these are the right KPIs to look at. Therefore, you should do X, Y, and Z to fix that. Yeah, exactly. Right? And that's a beautiful world. There.
And even the point you brought up, competitors. It's one thing to look at yourself in a vacuum, so to speak, but there's competitors always that you have to worry about. And it's a never-ending battle in the e-commerce world, especially, that your competitors are going to be improving their content, their products, the way things are represented to their shoppers. Well, it's just a race. You have to stay one step ahead. And again, even knowing where to start with keeping an eye on what your competitors are doing, our customers don't know where to go until they talk to us. And then we show them the light, so to speak. We bring it to them and say, here it is.
We need to, no, what was that one?
We have this one. Here you go.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Roger's about to drop.
You can't hear that. No. Because we're the only ones privileged with working headphones.
If
you would have put those on, you would have heard it. We had told you to put those on.
Is there somewhere I can plug this?
Right now.
Just
put it right.
It's okay. Yeah.